In this tutorial you are going to learn how to create ad campaigns on Pogogoa.com from your user dashboard. Ads are the best way to draw visitors to your listing details page. Except homepage ads, all other ads will be displayed in the search results relevant to your listing category only. This ensures that your ads are shown only to visitors who are interested in the category of your listing. You are charged only when a visitor clicks on your ad and thus assured guaranteed benefits on your investment. Click on Ad Campaigns. Click Add New Ad. Fill in the required details. Select the listing for which you want to create an ad campaign. Enter the amount you want to spend for your ad promotion. Please note this is important. Amounts less than ₹99 are not accepted by payment processors. You pay for ads on pay-per-click basis. Per-click amount will be deducted only when a visitor clicks on your ad. There are 3 types of ads: Spotlight ads, Top of Search ads, and Sidebar ads. If you click on the eye icon on each ad type, a pop-up display will show where and how your ads will actually appear to the visitors. Spotlight ads are displayed on the homepage of the website. Top of Search ads are displayed on top of the search results on the relevant listing category pages. Sidebar ads are displayed on the sidebar of the listing details pages. It is recommended to choose all the 3 types of ads. Select Payment Processor. Check mark I agree checkbox. Click Pay Now. The pop-up box to enter your card details is from the respective payment processors and is fully secure. You will be redirected to your bank page and asked to authenticate the payment process via OTP number. You will receive email and transaction details will be displayed in the Invoices section of your dashboard. If you have any more queries, join our Facebook group. This is a private group only for Pogogoa users. Discussions are a great way of sharing and learning. Let's actively participate and make this platform beneficial for everyone.